G'day everyone, this video is going to give you an insight as to how thick your image can be when putting them into Mulbury frames. So our frames come with a piece of acrylic or glass which is 2mm thick and a piece of backing board which is 3mm thick. And as you can see, that fits in nicely into the frame. So they're really designed for a poster or a piece of paper, a painting, something like that. But if you have an image that's a bit thicker, say 2 or 3mm, what you can do is you can take the backing board out and simply put your image in there in place of that, and that'll sit nicely in there. You may be able to get away with something that's about 4mm, but 2 or 3 is ideal. That's if you want to keep the acrylic sheet as well. If you've got something a bit thicker, that's maybe 5 or 6mm, even 7mm thick, you do have the option to also remove the acrylic sheet. Then you can put your entire image straight in and it should sit in there nice and comfortably. It is important to note the thickness of our timber can vary, so the depth of our rebates isn't always exactly the same, give or take a millimetre or so. Now, if your image is thicker than say 6mm, the other option is our chunky style frames. So here you can see this is our chunky style picture frames. If you like these, as it's a bit thicker, this is 3cm deep, and they come up to about 4cm deep. So we have the ability to cut a deeper rebate into these frames. So if I was to get 2 pieces of our backing board, which is about equivalent to 6mm, you can see that it'll slot in there nice and easy. But if you need something a bit deeper than that, you will need to get in touch with us, and we can cut a rebate to suit what you have. You know, you may have a painting on a piece of plywood or something like that, and we'll cut the depth of the rebate according to your image. If you have anything thicker than say 7 or 8mm, you need to get in touch with us, and we may need to make a box frame for you. Other than that, if you've got any questions, please shoot us an email, hello@mulbury.com.au, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks a lot.